guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you, and it is one I've not had before, and it is bashed on the table. It is a Occult box, and I bought this for myself because I wanted to try it. I have seen it a lot. One of my kind of Instagram, YouTube friends, Luna Lily, she unboxes it, and I always think it looks really cool when she does it. And this one was called the Spooky Self-Care Box, and so I wanted to have a look. It's £25. However, I paid £25 on like the 22nd of July is when I ordered it, and I knew it wasn't going to come until August. And it came today, and today is the 3rd of September. It arrived this afternoon. So I paid on the 22nd of July. It arrived on the 3rd of September. However, on the 1st of September, another £25 was taken out of my bank. And I contacted them and said, why have I paid £50? So for 2 boxes, but I haven't even had one yet. And they said subscription boxes are always shipped towards the end of the month, and your second payment may be processed before the box arrived. And that annoys me a little bit, just because I think I might have got this box and thought it was shit and then cancelled. So the fact that I've already been charged for my next box, I didn't have a say in that. It's just, I don't know, it annoys me a little bit. Obviously COVID has been an absolute shitter for them, and I completely understand that. I don't know, they've said everything is on their website, so I might have missed something, but we'll see. But yeah, let's jump in. So it's the Spooky Self-Care Box. This is how it comes. I wasn't expecting it to be this shape. I was expecting it to be like a box. Obviously this is a box, it's just a flat box. So let's have a look. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, why not? Just hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends. You know you want to. And it's free. It's free. I'm not going to charge you to be on my channel. I'm not going to charge you 2 lots of money before you even watch a video. You can just be charged no money and watch all my videos. Oh my god, there's a lot of tape on this. I should have brought my dinosaur tooth in. Got a pen. I'll use a pen as a chopper. Right. We're in. Oh my god, there's more tape. Shitting hell. How much fucking tape is on this? Right, we're in. So, it says Occult box. Oh, excuse me. And it's like this. And it says, you are wonderful. And there's some little Halloween kind of confetti stuff. So let's have a look. This is what it looks like. That is what is inside. So let's get involved. So we've got some spooky positivity stickers. Is there a little thing to tell me what's inside? I don't think so. I think it's just self-explanatory. So we have got full of magic, self-love potion, I am worthy and your future looks bright. These are little stickers, which my camera does not want to focus on. There we go. Just some little stickers, they're nice. I've got a sleeping mask, and it says I need my spooky sleep. That's quite smart. What are you? Oh, I think this is a hairbrush. It is, it's a hairbrush, it's a pumpkin. It's a little travel hairbrush. That is gonna, I'm gonna be able to keep that for about a minute before the kids steal that. And that's cute. There is a wish bracelet. It says tie to your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish, and when the string starts to fray, your wish is on its way. I love these little kind of bracelets. This one is on, is that elastic? No. And it's a little pendant, that's really cute. What is this? Lucky black cat. It just says Lucky Black Cat. Oh, and it is just a little black cat. That's quite cute. A little statue. Oh, get off my hand. And there's a pen that says Beautiful and Spooky Occult Box. I always love to get a pen. It's just a little biro one. That's cute. Right. Oh, I like this. It's quite funny. It's like a to-do list for your desk, and it's got moods but with different pumpkin faces. So whether you're happy or sad, and then to-do list, and then something that made me smile today. That's really nice, and there's quite a lot on there. Some of them you get like 4 pages, but that's quite a nice hefty one. I'm not going to sit here and count them all because that would be ridiculous. But I'd say there's like, I don't know, 50 or 60 sheets on there, which is nice. There's some sweets, and it says Happy Halloween, Occult Box, So Spooky, Treat Yourself, Vegan, and they're love hearts. But I think they're like Halloween ones. Are they special ones? That's just, we're gonna have to open one and see, aren't we? The first one is a smiley face. You can't see that. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm not gonna eat anymore. Next up is Witch's Brew Relaxing Tea. Rose petals, chamomile, lavender and hibiscus, and rooibos. So this is relaxing loose tea blend, infusion bags, naturally caffeine free. I'm not going to open it because it's got rose in it, and I'm not going to start on rose again because every video is just me saying how much I hate rose. But obviously people who do these boxes don't know that like the smell is horrific to me, so these are for everybody. They don't give a shit whether I like it or not. But that will go into a giveaway at some point, or one of my friends will come around and drink it, I don't know. But that's really cute. I love the idea of a witch's brew. Shake well to activate the spell. Anti-stress potion. Oh, this is pretty. Look how pretty that is. So, oh my god, and then it goes purple, look. How cool is that? And it's a roll-on. Please don't be the smell of rose, I'm going to be really pissed off. It's like a rollerball. It's not rose, it's nice. It smells nice. That is quite relaxing actually. Anti-stress potion, essential oil, clary sage, lavender and ylang ylang. It's vegan. That's really cute. I love the colour. That's lovely. I'll put that in my handbag as a little woosa. If you don't know what that is, get in the bin. I've got a green tea bubble mask. I love a bubble mask. They make me laugh. Contains green tea, leaf extract, aloe, a word I can't say, leaf extract, super berry complex, dry and oily skin types. Yeah, that's lovely. I love a sheet mask and a bubble sheet mask because they make you look like the moon from Boosh, which makes everybody happy. A card that says you are loved, which is cute. This says share the love with a friend. I know exactly who I'm going to send that to. That's really sweet. And then I've got, I think is this rose quartz? I knew this was rose quartz. It's a little bag, and it's got rose quartz in it, and I love rose quartz. I've got some rose quartz necklaces and some earrings, and I just have them everywhere because they are a lovely crystal to have in your house. The universal love stone helps the user feel strong sense of self-worth, encourages friendship and romance, helps relieve emotional pain, and soothes and calms. If you believe in crystals and stuff, which I do, I love me a rose quartz. And then I've got a positivity colouring book. So, and it's got like a little bat one. 5 things I love about myself, a self-love potion, and the sun, something to looking forward to. Your future looks bright. Just some, like a mandala kind of thing. Pumpkin. Carpe diem, things I'm grateful for, and I'm doing my best. I love that. And then there's a little pack of pencils. And then I think the last thing is, oh, it's a print. It says it's okay not to be okay. And then on the back, it's got help and resources. So it's got Mind, Charity, Letters of Kindness, To Write Love on Her Arms, Sophie Lancaster Foundation, Head Above the Waves, and The Samaritans, which I will link all of these down below for you guys. I think that is everything in the box. Let's have a look. Yep, that is everything. So that's the box. I really like the box. I think it's lovely. The only thing that won't get used is the tea, but that is my issue. That's not their issue. But everything else, I think as a whole, it's a really nice cohesive box because it is a self-love box and it has got lots of nice self-love things in it. I think the cat is a bit weird, but everything else I really like. This is gonna be lost. By the time this video goes up, the girls will have stolen this and probably broken it. But no, I think it's a really lovely box. I'm gonna put this on my ankle because I like to wear them on my ankles, and one of my recent ones has just broken. So yeah, that was the box. I have got another one coming next month because the payment came out. We'll see what that one's like, and then we'll see if this is something I'm going to carry on with or not. But £25 is quite expensive, but it's a nice box. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all really, really soon. Bye guys.